Welcome to St Bart's Multi-Academy Trust, a family of schools united to inspire and empower the next generation to care for our planet. We are proud to lead by example in sustainability, environmental education and community action.
Our schools nurture a deep connection to nature
through outdoor learning, forest school activities and growing and eating our own food. Students experience the joy of caring for the earth firsthand.
Families join us in these efforts, tending to school allotments, joining family forest schools and opal play sessions, and sharing produce through our school pantry.
Creating habitats, reducing waste and taking action in our communities are just a few ways we make a difference. From litter picking campaigns to uniform swaps, clothing banks and donating used IT to the Children's Air Ambulance, we reduce, reuse and recycle wherever we can.
By working with local supermarkets to share excess produce, we reduce food waste while supporting our families.
This partnership strengthens our community and ensures that no food goes to waste.
Our Pupil Parliament leads the charge, inspiring their peers to reduce emissions and take collective action. Through energy-saving switch-off and water efficiency campaigns, habitat creation and healthy eating initiatives, they work towards their pupil pledges for a greener future.
Meet the St Bart's Super Gang, pupil-designed sustainability superheroes, spreading awareness from Super Billy, the waste reducer, to Aqua Maria, the water saver. These heroes make environmental messages fun and accessible for all.
We also work with community organisations, creating opportunities for young adults with learning disabilities, including our ex-pupils.
At St Bart's, we don't just teach sustainability, we live it. By inspiring collective action, fostering partnerships and prioritising the planet, we are paving the way for a brighter, greener future.
Together, we build a stronger, more inclusive future for everyone.
We are the future!
Together, we are making a difference. Together, we are St Bart's.